How to fix the issue where you're locked out of your iPhone and forgotten the password. So if you can't get into your iPhone because you've forgotten the passcode, then the first thing we need to do is go and grab a USB-C cable, and you'll also need a computer as well. So this can be a Windows computer or also a Mac computer as well. Now grab the USB-C cable and plug one end into your iPhone and the other end into your computer. Now make sure your iPhone is turned on like this, and then we need to go and press down the following keys on the device. So you're going to quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone. Now continue to hold the lock screen button down and eventually you'll see the Apple logo. Continue to hold the button down until the recovery page appears like this. Now once you're on this recovery screen, we can head over to our computer. So if you're on a Windows computer, open up the Start menu. You could then search for Microsoft Store and open up this app here. Now go and search for an app called Apple Devices. You could then click on this app here and go and install it onto your computer. If you're on a Mac computer, you can just open up the Finder on your PC and you should be able to find your iPhone from the left-hand side of Finder. So if you're on Windows, go and open up Apple Devices. You then need to agree to the terms and conditions and then click on Start. Now you'll see iPhone recovery mode, and you'll have two options to either update or restore your iPhone. So because you've forgotten the password, you need to click on Restore, and you can go through the steps to reset your iPhone back to its factory setting. And then you can go through the steps to reset your iPhone back to its factory settings.